I'm going to do this one a little differently than it's done in the notes over here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the bottom of the first term by its conjugate. And it's a cubic problem, and its conjugate a little more complicated than if it was a square, but I think I know, and I think you know as well. And I'm going to say it's work, though. There's no doubt of its work. Well, that's going to be x to the 2/3 plus x to the 1/3, y to the 1/3, plus y to the 2/3. X to the 2/3 plus x to the 1/3, y to the 1/3, and then y to the 2/3. All right? Now, the point of this is to get a common denominator, which is x minus y. All right? That's not an issue for me. It's the top that's an issue for me. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to carry out the multiplication for you. And yeah, in a sense, I'm jamming it in there. But what are you going to get? You're going to get x. I'm distributing this across the three terms. Then you're going to get plus x to the 2/3, y to the 1/3. Then you're going to get x to the 1/3, y to the 2/3. Going to keep moving across. What's next you're going to get? Well, you can get x to the 2/3, y to the 1/3, plus, let's see, you can get x to the 1/3, y to the 2/3. And then what do you get? You can get plus y. And then you can get minus x minus y. Now, what's nice about this? I want to point out what's nice about it. X minus x is nothing, and y minus y is nothing. So I'm left with something, and I want to point out what I'm left with. I'm left with a bunch of terms on top, and there's how many terms? There's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 terms, and 2 terms on bottom. And the 2 terms on bottom are x minus y. I want to look at the terms on top, though. And I want to look at, let's put it in blue this time. Do I see a term with 2/3 x and a 1/3? Yeah, right over here. And what's it going to give me? 2 of those. Write that down for you. 2 x to the 2/3, y to the 1/3. And let me go to the next guy. And let me get them in green. I'm seeing this guy and this guy. And that's y to the 2/3, x to the 1/3. I got 2 of those again. So it's going to be 2 x to the 1/3, y to the 2/3. Let's get our red pen out, see how we did. I'm getting the x minus y. Whoops, that's not a red pen. I got this. Did I get this? Yep. Did I get this? Yep. All is good. Thank you.